Oh, look. Who are you when you have white hair and a white face? Who are you?
Papa.
I'm Grandpa.
Hi.
Bubbles. It's not hot. It's cold. You want to put some on your hair? Who are you going to pretend to be? Alright, here you go. You want to blow some bubbles? You're a maniac. Do it one more time for me. Who are you, Skylar? Who are you? Oh, you're eating it. Who are you? You got white hair. Who are you? Tell me. Do your impression. I'm Grandpa. No more Grandpa. You got rid of the white. You want to be Grandpa again? I'm going to send this to Grandpa. Now who are you? Oh, you need a little white stubble? Some white stubble? Who are you now? Grandpa? You Grandpa? I'm Grandpa. You don't eat it. Alright, Mommy's going to turn off the camera. Look at it and say bye-bye. Bye-bye, camera. Skylar, look at Mommy. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.